Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I will show you how you can set text and image side by side. Let's say you have a text and an image. So let's say you want to provide the information about your image. So in the left side, you have image and you want to show information about the image in the right side. I mean next to the image. So let me show you how can you do this. So here you can see I have an HTML file here and a CSS file. So I will type here HTML and it will complete a structure for me, and under the title I will add link, and in the reference section I will add the CSS file reference. So that is custom.css. Now I can access this CSS file in my HTML file, right? So here let me just add image first and a text. So I will say here paragraph. Now let me just keep them inside a div. So I will say here div, and now let me just keep them inside this div. So done. We can do this in different ways. We can use flex, because flex actually keep all the data in a row. So if our image and our text in a row, then our criteria will be fulfilled, right? So let's do it. So I have some image in the folder, and here you can see in the image folder I have 3 images. So let me just select the image B here, and if I go to the properties, right click on it and go to the properties, and here you can see extension is JPG. So I will add the image as the folder name. So I will say here folder name, that is image slash the file name, that is b dot extension is JPG, right? So we have added the image, and I will say here alt for the alternative text, and I will say here image. Now in the paragraph we will add lorem ipsum. So here I will say lorem ipsum text. Let's say I want to copy this text from here to here, and inside the paragraph I will paste it. Now let's do CSS for image and paragraph. As I mentioned that if you want to show image and text side by side, we can do it using a bunch of different ways. So the first ways will be flexbox. Let's say I want to set my div as flexbox. So I will say here div display flex. So here I will say justify content center. And if I go to the browser now, and here you can see we have text and we have image, we have image and we have text here, and they are side by side, right? Image, and let's say width will be 300 pixel, and paragraph. Okay, let's do it first. And here you can see the image and text. Okay, now we can add some padding. Let's say I want to add padding in paragraph. So I will say here 20 pixel. And now you can see we have creates gap here in between two elements, image and text. Okay, so this is the first way you can show your image and text side by side. Now I will show you how to do this using position. In the image, let's say I will set position as relative, and for the text I will say position absolute. So now if I go to the browser, here you can see they are in, they are not side by side, right? They are not in a row. So let's do it. And here I have to just say that left. Okay, maybe I can say here left 0, top 0, and for the text I will say left 20%, 25% maybe. So now let's check, and I will say top 0, top 0. And now you can see they are also side by side, right?